Hey everyone, I'm Thomas from Backscatter, and in this video, I'm going to guide you through the Atom Flash's learning mode. Learning mode allows the Atom Flash to automatically sync with any type of camera flash so you never miss a shot. For even more details and information, check out the Atom Flash manual linked in the description. All right, let's check out learning mode. With your Atom Flash handy and powered on, let's navigate to the menu. Press the Mode Enter button until you reach Menu, then press Select to open it. Learn is the first option in the menu. Press Mode Enter to open Learning Mode. Learning Mode is on by default, and keep it on if you use a fill flash or a TTL flash trigger, since those produce multiple flashes before the main flash. With Learning Mode on, the Atom Flash will learn your camera's flash pattern after taking a single test shot. To take a test shot, first make sure your camera is in single fire drive and not in any continuous mode. Then take a single test shot. Wait a few seconds before firing again. And with that, your Atom Flash is now automatically synced with your flash trigger. It really is that easy. Be aware, if you fire rapidly in learning mode, you may get a false reading and your flash will not sync. If you ever get a false reading, just power the Atom Flash off, then switch it back to manual mode and teach it again with a single test shot. So why would you want learning mode off? If you're always shooting in continuous drive, have a manual internal flash, or use a manual flash trigger, we recommend turning learning mode off. These triggers only fire a single pulse, so the Atom Flash doesn't need to learn a flash pattern and will fire with the first camera flash it sees. To turn it off, use Select to highlight off and press Mode Enter to confirm. The Atom Flash will remember your settings and you won't have to do this again. Be sure to check out the rest of our Atom Flash guides for even more information on setting up your flash, and if you have any questions, comment below, email us, or give us a call, and we'll be happy to help out. I'm Thomas from Backscatter, and I'll see you next time.